There we go. Today is gonna be a nice day cause I got $30. So just to go somewhere and get ice cream. I would call it Blizzard cause I used to go to all the time as a kid. But I don't know. I no time for shit cause I'm excited. My bro said that the street is dangerous, especially the one over here. And Dairy Queen is right over here. It's gonna take too long for shit. Let's say this is the hood area. I'm tired for it. Me, Joseph, and Bell's dream we think about waiting in this area. But later on in the future, so give a shit. That's kind of I don't mind that because I don't know. But at the same time, look at it. It's a beautiful day. The day that I regret everything that I used to murder a lot. Shit on nothing there's no, got me red-handed, man. Well, I guess we're getting close to that, I guess. Just the more few ways. Just like we just, I don't know, Freddy, Bonnie, Foxy just want to go McDonald's with a boss. Man, I have to be all the way over here because the fucking stupid dude, fucking silly, go fucking over there. That's the reason why. That's not the reason why their buddies went to go get McDonald's. Is that wood? Man, I'm just being too annoying right now. I'm just being so nervous after that. Instead of having to go give me McDonald's food. That's so different. Gets me too much
Aw, it's okay.
Fuck my life. Friday. You wanna fucking long mile. Feels like I just went for a straight walk. The fuck this bitch?
Why? Just right.
What's the matter, boy?
Have any food?
Food? I don't give a shit about food right now, cause right now I'm going to add up Dairy Queen to get ice cream.
Oh.
So what about you, man? What are you doing here in the corner?
I was just homeless and I was just saying, me and my family got into an argument and they kicked me out. Then my mom and dad was spitting on me, punching me. So yeah, so I was only having extra food. I'm hungry.
But at the same time, so is love. But at the same time, you deserve it, man.
I'm gonna follow him.
I think I freaking followed. Man. I swear! I'm fooling. What you fooling me for,
I'm sorry!
Betty bear. No one's gonna come and kill you, man! Fuck, man, I'm sorry what I did there for a second, okay? I'm just being too stressed lately because my friend eat without me. Sorry.
I understand my friend cheated on me. That my friend now go out to go to Taco Bell over there, KFC, and
hey, you keep in mind we're over here already, man.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, man. Man, it's fucking hot there.
I know, we should actually drink and a nice cold Coca-Cola.
Hey. Look at this delicious beer. Cake. No, that's for kids. Ooh. What the? So 1940, 1950, 1960, 1970, 1980, 1990.
That would be like A baby version. But it's okay, let's go.
Man, you gotta be kidding me. Interesting place. What's this? Chicken treats.
Should buy one then. Calm down. Hey. Okay, get up here, man.
Sorry.
Okay.
I just get overexcited sometimes, man.
Okay. So let's go get our order. Come on, let's go.
Hey, don't rush me.
So what we're gonna order?
I'll have. Is this a blizzard oil?
Yeah, there's on the menu. Can't even see it, but I can see it.
Hey.
Okay, I'll get a cheese.
Oh, you just go over here. Okay, yeah. I don't understand. Cheeseburger and Pepsi, right?
Yeah. So let's go.
Okay, I'll do the ordering. My blizzard. How's it like?
I'm starving, man. I got some on my nose.
Yes, you've been eating too much, man.
Okay.
Just let me enjoy my food, okay? Let me go enjoy my food. This is good, man. Is it too good?
I had the spot.
Yeah, I can tell that. Right now, I'm about to dig in this deep. Right now, I'm almost completely done with it, so.
Okay. I come and eat another bite.
Man, I forgot to tell you.
What?
I'm lactose intolerant.
Don't mind about it.
Look at me, I'm doing the worm.
Yeah, I am too, man. The music goes as well as this.
Okay, never mind. It makes me noise when I do that. It's something I have to do when I drink that blizzard. That was the worst thing I ever experienced, man.
Yeah, right now my just tummy hurts.
I shouldn't know that I'm lactose intolerant. But let's go home before it gets dark, man. I kinda hate it that way.
Let me see how your home feels like.
Just let you know that there's other new roommates that we have, and it's becoming packed, man, okay? Well, feel free to stay around the house, okay? Just right now. Let's go.
Well, thanks for the food, man. So I'm gonna get right here now. So, nice knowing you.
What do you mean? You want to stay here?
Well, you say you want me to, you say you're gonna take it that sick, then not take it to your house.
Well, I did mention that, but when I'm trying to say that, you can feel free to come around the house, okay?
Okay.
So you can come in anytime you want.
Okay.
Well, depends on you, cause I don't know how you ended up. Sure, I got abused by a father, but you know, have you heard the news that there was a gunshot on the hood one time?
I think I heard of that.
And the person named called Bowser Jr. It's my best friend.
Let's go back. I think I know him. Yeah. Let's go. I know there's some guy named Koopa, but I don't know. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. Hey. So you know them before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, do you have a game family before? Stop! Come on.
Oh, I know. Oh.
Yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, what happened to you on one time? And you used to be a part of a game, right? Different game?
Yeah. It's called the Yoshi game.
Yoshi game. Well, our game called, sounds like a ridiculous name, but it's called Junior's game. But we call us the original, the gang. That's called the game, because we're the gang.
Yeah, true. So let's go.
Hold up. Yeah. Those things kick fine in my fish.
Well, all these things around here is actually right.
Oh, damn it, like you. Sorry, I just get too offended sometimes, man.
Oh, you should be careful.
Yeah, true. Well, anyway, You should introduce more than a fence when they get done, okay?
Okay.
But don't worry. It's gonna be a fucking miles away from you, a fucking noob. Sorry.
Well, it could be on the side over here.
Yeah, you're right. Well, anyway, we're a little close to home. So, yeah. Well, I guess we're getting close to home now.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go this way.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll see how it is.
I'm getting the backward vibes.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, there's a bunch of mosquitoes around here.
Yes. They're so annoying right now.
I know, they suck your blood. How many knows they die after they drink our blood? Let's get out of here.
Go. This backward vibes gave me too much. Oh.
I counted my mosquito bites. I have 10 mosquito bites.
I got 20 in the mem. But don't worry. I'm the only one we just got worse.
Okay, let's shoot kids. One.
Give me kids.
Kids.
I don't give a shit.
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. Uh-oh.
So where we gonna go? Wait.
We're gonna go in here, okay? Right now I'm tired and I'm constipated and I don't feel well.
Okay, Skeeter, I'm talking to the cat. Okay, make sure you subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Here's the subscribe button up there. Wait. Right here and down here. And here's our channel right here. My channel's right there. And my other channel, like his channel is right here. No fame.
You know I can do that, right?
Don't worry, let's go. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to that channel. So bye.
Bye, I guess. Hey man, you're going the wrong way.